go.
Match 2 in the upper bracket. Spring Konstant lining up for an L4. They make it. T3 trying to line up for another L4. On the red alliance, Impact lining up to score an L4. Spring Konstant again trying to score an L4, but they miss. Impact again trying to get another score. It's a tie. Moving into the tally-up. Cerberus moving in over to the blue field to play some defense. Wildcats doing the stand to play some defense against the Red Alliance. Spring Konstant scoring an L4 and removing some algae from the reef. T3 scoring an L4. Over on the Red Alliance, Impact scoring in a red 4. Beast from the East lining up for another L4. It's 26-26, still a tie. 31-31, less than a minute and 50. T3 trying to line up. Spring Konstant is lining up to score and algae into the bars. They make it in. Over on the Red Alliance, Beast from the East getting more coral. Meanwhile, there's some defense between Impact and the Wildcats. But also, T3 is experiencing impact over from Cerberus on defense. Spring Konstant is getting some more coral from their feeding station. Trying to line it up in order to score. Beast from the East lining up in L4. They make it. Impact lining up again as well. They get it up for an L4. They score. It's 50-54. Still a close match. T3 trying to line again. Watch out, Cerberus. Don't get beached. Spring Konstant trying again for another L4. Over on the red side, there's some defense between Wildcats and Impact. Impact trying to go and get for another L4. Beast from the East doing the same. T3 lining up again, going in for an L4. It lines up, it's good. It's 64-70, less than a minute. Over on the red again. Beast from the East trying to grab more coral. Defense being played between Impact and Wildcats. Spring Konstant facing some heavy defense over from Cerberus. T3 lining up to get some algae removed. Spring Konstant trying to swing around. Cerberus going back to their side of the field. Going out to play some defense against the Wildcats possibly. Impact trying to get over to the blue side. Switching some tactics to see who's going to play some defense. T3 scores another analogy. Impact's getting set up for the climb. Less than 20 seconds. Spring Konstant setting up for the climb. Beast from the East trying to set up a climb. Cerberus trying to get another L4, but it falls out. 3 robots parked. 4 robots in the air. 2 robots parked. That's the end of the match. We have the final score. It's a Blue Alliance victory. With a final score of 106-101, a close game. Alliance number 5 advances to the upper bracket, round 2, match 7, while Alliance number 4 advances to the lower bracket, round 2, match 5. They still have another